Uh-huh.
Okay. So we'll discuss about SAP FICO enterprise structure. See, enterprise structure means it is a structure of an organization. So every module in SAP has its own structure, own enterprise structure. Like MM has its own enterprise structure, SD has its own enterprise structure. Likewise, FICO has its own enterprise structure. Okay. So in this, see, basically, FICO is used to manage all the financial business transactions. Okay. So the first topmost organization structure in FICO is company. Okay. So company, we'll have to create a company. Company is nothing but a group. Okay. It is nothing but a group. Like I have taken Tata groups. Okay. So see, this is the transaction code to create the company that we will discuss later. But you understand what is company. Then under one company, we can have multiple company codes. Okay. So see, under one company, we can have company code. Let's say Tata Steels. And that, see, company code is a legal entity. See, company code is a legal entity where we are going to manage all the financial accounting. Okay. Financial transactions. Under one company code, we can have multiple business transactions. Okay. So sorry, multiple business areas. Like in Mumbai, we may have one business area where it handle manage all the businesses, and Hyderabad we have one business area. So as I told you, one company code can have multiple company codes. So let's say we have a Tata Group. In Tata, under the Tata Group, we have Tata Steels and Tata Motors. So we can have multiple company codes. The company code is a legal entity which manages all the business transactions. Under one company code, as I said, we can have multiple business areas. Okay. So this is our enterprise structure. So this we see the very first step in SAP whenever we are going to implement, that is to create a company and company code and business area. Later under company code, we see all the modules, like whether it may be MM, SD, QM, whatever it may be, all the modules are dependent on this company and company code. Okay. So that's why earlier also I told you FICO is a very important module and it is also a core module of any business. Okay. And now we will see how to create this company and company code. So I have created one Excel sheet where you can learn how to create this. I will do it. This is not required. Okay. So how to create? See here I have mentioned one more example. Company, and this company can have multiple company code, and company code is a legal entity. Let's say we have HP Group, HP in India, HP in USA. Even in the different countries also, we can maintain as a company code. Okay. Now, so next we'll discuss what is chart of account and business area where business is going to manage. Segment and profit center, these are all we'll discuss later. So first we'll understand how to create company. Okay. How to create a company. So here we have creation, definition of enterprise structure. That means defining a enterprise structure. We have, see, SAP can be used in SAP transactions, and SAP process can be configured using the transaction codes, or else you can go with the path. SAP has provided two methods. One, you can use a transaction codes. Another one is you can use the path. So first we will create a company. Okay. See, from today onwards, you can start creating it, and I will guide you how you can make the report. So as I told you, now I am going to provide you the internship work as well. So I will show you how to create the report as well. Okay. So first you practice this. So then each and every step you will have to define. So take an example. Say I have taken Tata Groups. You can take your own company. Let's say if you have a plan to start a company, you can take by that name and create a company code, then create a business area. Okay. So we will create that first. So to create this, we have a path. Okay, we have a path. So here I have logged into the SAP system, and this is my SAP Easy Access screen. Okay, so in the SAP Easy Access screen, it is used for an end user. End user can only access this. Okay, end user only they can access this Easy Access screen. But I need to do configuration, right? I need to do the backend configuration as a SAP FICO consultant. So consultant has his own responsibility to create a company and company code. How to create? So in the transaction code, in the code bar, you will have to type SPRO. Okay, SPRO. See, I have mentioned in this SPRO. Type SPRO. Press enter. Now see here customizing. I am doing customization. Here we have reference IMG. Okay, SPRO means note down. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. Then you'll have to click on this IMG. IMG means Implementation Guide. IMG means Implementation Guide. Click on this, and now we are into this. So here you can observe all the modules we have, like we have finance, we have controlling, planning, investment management, then we have logistic general, environment, health and safety, product safety, and you can see here sales and distribution, materials management, supply chain management, logistic execution, transportation management, quality management. See, we have plant maintenance. See, multiple, we have all the modules in this display IMG. So here you will have, as a consultant, you are going to customize, you are going to implement SAP into the business. Okay, you are going to implement SAP into the business. So here the first part is we'll have to create an enterprise structure. Okay, so to create I will show you once again. So I will just exit this. See, I will exit this. See, I am into easy access then. So I will go to SPRO, enter, then click on SAP reference IMG. You can go with this. See, as we are using latest S4 HANA version, 2023 version, no need to go with SPRO and all. Okay. No need to go with SPRO. Directly you can go with SIMG. Directly you can type SIMG. Directly you can type SIMG. Okay. I will show you here. See, SIMG. SIMG means SAP Implementation Guide. Enter. See, directly took you to this. Okay. Now, if you don't want to go with the decode, you can add the favorites here. Let's say here we have an option called. See, click on this. Sorry, one second. So here. What happened? Okay. Or else right click on this favorite, and here we have insert transaction. Click on this and type SIMG. See, we have added it. Double click on this, it will directly take you to this. You can add your favorites here. Favorite transaction. Double click on this, it will take you to this display. Now our intention is to define the company. Here, see SIMG, we are into SIMG. Then go to enterprise structure, go to definition, go to financial accounting, go to define company. See here we have enterprise structure. So if you click right arrow, it will open. If you click left arrow, it will close. Right. Down arrow, it will come down. See definition. See here, definition. Then financial accounting. Then here we have defined company. So here we have two options. One is documentation. Another one is execute button. So if you click on this documentation, you can refer this. What is, see, in this step, you can create companies. The company is the organizational unit in the accounting that allows you to organize your enterprise to meet certain legal requirements in the country. Okay, you can refer this documentation. See, I want to define a company. Here I will click on define company. Okay, click on define company. Here, see, as this is a practice server which I have provided to you, okay, which I have provided to you. So many of the trainers will be working on this server, okay, working on this server. So in this regards, you will get so many companies, but in real time, whenever you work in any of the organization, it will be blank. Okay, it will be a fresh new system. Okay, so here I will create my own company. Let's say I will go to new entry, and let's say my company name is, I will take, mm, it will restrict 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 characters. Okay. I will give tech lab, or you can go with uh, T is tech labs. I will give tech labs. Okay. I am giving company tech labs, or else you can give tech labs group. Next street, let's say I will give, I will give. So see, basically you can give any here, any address. SIT main road, and this you can give any number. Postal code also you can give any number. City I will make it as Tumkur, and country. See now here, if you click on this search button, you will get all the countries, because SAP has evolved globally. Na, I will select India. Even in the language also, you have all the language, multilingual language. I told you, na. So now I will select EN. And currency also, you have multiple currencies. Here I will select INR. See INR. Or else directly you can type here INR. See, enter. See here you are see, if you are getting any message in the red color, that means it is a error. What it is telling? Postal code 87, some 8789 something here must have length of 6, because it has a more length. Na? I will reduce it to 6. Enter. Now see, no issue. Okay. Now observe. I will save this. So whenever you are configuring, observe carefully here. Whenever you are configuring anything in SAP, the moment once you save, it will ask you to create this customizing request number. So this customizing request number is very important. In the interview, they'll ask what is customizing request number, and it is also called as transfer request number. See, in the last class, I have told you about this. Okay. See, basically, whenever you are customizing anything in SAP, it will create a transfer request number. TR number is a number, it is a request number which has to be released if I want to transfer the data from development server to quality server. Okay. So it is a request or custom transfer request or customizing request number. Okay. It is a customizing request number. Whenever we are going to configure in SAP, it will generate a customizing request. See, here this is a customizing request number. See, A4H means this is a server number, K is the constant, this is our TR number. Okay, this is our TR number. So here I'll have to create my own customizing request number to create own. So as of now, see in real time, in every customization, we'll have to maintain the customizing request number. I will create few, later I won't maintain because it will take time. So as part of this training, but in real time, we'll have to maintain. I will create my own. See, I will click on this create request. I will give tech labs, groups. Okay, enter. Now you are getting a new number and save. See here, it has generated a company. So if you go back and you can see our company has created. If you double click on this and you can change it. So this is my INR. So now I will maintain the Excel sheet. You also maintain company I have created is what company I have created? TECHLB. TECHLB I have created. Now done. Go back. Now the next step is define company code. The same path, SIMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. But here you can see, here we have edit, copy, delete, check company code. Can you see this? Click on this execute button. And now I will go to edit company code data. See, I will go to edit company code data. See, edit company code data. And now I will create new entry. New entry. So here I will create tech labs. See, let's say I have company in TLIN. So that is India. Tech labs India. And city, let's say Tumkur. Country, if you type I, see you will get the drop down menu here. Country is IN. See, you are getting IN. Select this. Then currency IN. The INR we are having. And language EN. Enter. Now I will save. I will create two company codes. Save this. Now, see, it is asking me to maintain the address of the company. Okay. Now, one more thing, very important. As you can see here, you are getting this icon in the field. So these are all the empty fields. Okay. That means these are all optional. But if you are getting this icon, that means this is a required field. Okay, required field. So even though I will maintain Tech Labs India and search term, you can maintain Tech Lab. Say house number, street, these are all in the real time we'll have to maintain. But as of now, I'll maintain only the country, and here I'll maintain the region. So region I will maintain Karnataka. CPO box, postal code, telephone. So these are all in the real time we will have to maintain. Just give OK. The moment you give OK, see again it is asking me the company code. Sorry, TR number. So here I will maintain the TR number. So here the Labs India company code. Enter. See new TR number is generated. Okay. Now one company code has created. Company code, that is TLIN. And another company code, one more company code I will create. Okay, another company code. I get TLUS, that is US. Okay, go back. Now I'll create one more. Click on this TLUS. So this restrict only 4 characters. This is tech class US, United States. So city I will maintain California. Country is US. Currency USD. And language is EN itself. Enter and save. If you want to maintain address here, click on this address and you can maintain Tech Labs US and system. See, if you press space button previously, whatever data you are given, it will come. So even if you press space, you are getting only India because I have maintained recently IN, right? Now I'll give US. In region, uh, here we have California and give OK. See? And I will save. Give OK. Okay, it will save. Okay, see, it has been saved. So now I have created company and company code. I have created 2 companies under one company, but still it is independent. We have not assigned these company codes to this. But before that, we will have to create a business area. Okay, business area. Under this only you will get, see, cancel this. Here we have business area. So click on this, click on new entry, and I will give see the TLBA, Tech Labs business area. And this one I will give Tech Labs Business Area India. Okay, this is for India. This one Tech Labs Business Area USA. Yes, the 2 business areas I have created. Okay, so here I will maintain uh, business area. Tech Labs Business Area India and Tech Labs Business Area USA. Go back. See now I have created company, company code and business area. Now this is very important. So still the company and company code are independent. So as you have seen here, see we need to assign this company to company to company code. 2 companies should belongs to these companies. For that we'll have to assign. So for that, observe here, close this definition part. Here we have assignment part. Okay. So go to assignment. Here we have financial accounting paths I have mentioned here. Enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. Financial accounting. See, here we have assign company code to company. Click on this. And here, so wherever you see this position button, this means to search. Click on this position. See here it is asking me to company TLIN. See, these 2 are blank. See TLIN. See, no company has assigned. What is my company code? TE. See, if you just type, see here we have Tech Labs Group. And here we have US, right? Tech Labs US. So here I will make it as TEC. Here we have tech lab. One second. Enter. See, company currency differs from company code currency. Why? See, the company currency is in INR, but here I have maintained US. But this is not a error message. This is a warning message. Intentionally, I did to explain you some of the topics. Just enter. See, save. See, again, it is asking me the customizing. Here, I will maintain tech labs and save this. See, it is saved. Now, I have created my company. Okay, now I have created my company. See, I have created my company code, business area, and assigned company to company code. Any doubts till this? Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, if you want to check your enterprise structure, we have one T code called EC01. Okay, you'll have to go to check your enterprise structure. We have one T code called EC01. So here, if you go to /n, I will use. I'm not in easy access now. EC01. If you go to EC01, click on this structure, then go to navigation and give OK. And here we have so many company codes. Just click on this find button, and my is T TechLabs IN. Or else you can go with TECH TechLabs. See here. We have TechLabs India. See, here we have. See, we have a company code as TechLabs India. Company is TechLabs. Okay, company is TECHLB, TechLabs groups. Under this, we have two company code. One is TechLabs India, TechLabs US. Again, you can click on this plus button. See, again, this also has been assigned. You can find in two ways. Or else we have here TechLabs US. If you click on this, you can see here. Okay. So this is how you can check your enterprise structure. Okay. Now we have created our company. Now very important is to learn about the. So we are done with this company and company enterprise structure. Now we will go with the fiscal year variant. So basically, fiscal year variant is used to define the structure and length of an organization. Okay. So fiscal year variant is used to define the structure and length of an organization's financial year. So as I told you, fiscal year means financial year. So April to March, Jan to December. So it is a configuration setting that determines the start and end date of the fiscal year and number of periods within the year. And here we have the fiscal year variant is created by specifying the following parameters. So one is start date. This is the first day of the fiscal year, and end date. This is the last day of the fiscal year. Next, number of periods. This is the number of accounting periods within the fiscal year. See, basically we have 12 periods, right? Then posting periods. So this is a flag that determines whether or not the posting periods are same as calendar month. Okay. Sometimes if you see calendar months are Jan to December. Okay. So then posting period 1 is January, posting period 2 is February. If you are maintaining post fiscal year as Jan to December. If you are maintaining fiscal period from April to March, then the posting period 1 is April, 2 is May. Okay, like that. So 12th period is March period. Okay. So that will be always different that I have mentioned here. Now, the most common types of fiscal year variants includes calendar year variant. So basically, calendar year variant represents as K, and this variant uses the calendar year as a fiscal year with 12 standard accounting periods. And year independent fiscal year variant represents in V. One second. Okay. See, year dependent. So this variant not linked to calendar year and can have up to 16 periods. See, up to 15 means see, 12 periods is general and extra 4 periods are there. Those periods are called special periods. I'll tell you what are those special periods. Next, shortened fiscal year. See, this fiscal year, this variant is used when a company's fiscal year is shorter than the calendar year. It allows for custom start and custom end and vary number of accounting periods. If your business run for 6 months, then it will be for 1 second. Then it is a shortened fiscal year. Next. Non-calendar year variant means this variant is used when a company's fiscal year doesn't follow a calendar 12-month structure. It allows a custom start and custom end and vary number of accounting periods as well. Okay. So next we have year shift variant. Year shift means so let's say if you are a Jan to if your fiscal year as per India we have April to March. See, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. After December, year shift will be there. That is called year shift variant. This variant is used when a company needs to shift its fiscal year to align with a calendar year. It allows a custom start and custom end and various number of accounting periods. Okay. So these are all will execute practically. Let's say here we have one best example for year shift. As you can see, this is calendar year, Jan to December. No year shift in this. When it comes to non-calendar year, as I told you, April to March. See, April is the first period, May is the second, June third. See, likewise. See, at last we have 10, 11, 12. These are called shift, year shift. See, SAP understand the calendar year. To convert calendar to non-calendar year, we use year shift. So here we will be having year shift. This is the year shift concept. Next. Next, we'll understand what is special periods. So basically what happens, here we are going to maintain, let's say we have Jan to December as a normal periods. Special periods may be December month only. So we are going to use extra periods as a four special periods, and those special periods we use basically for profitability analysis finalized by accounts department, for the adjustment by the management, adjustment by the auditors. If you want to do any rectification entry suggested by for any of the modification, we use this special periods. Okay, that is the concept of special periods. See, total periods are always is equal to normal periods plus special periods. That means 16 periods. Now, how to identify the fiscal year in non-calendar accounting year? How to find out the financial year? So let's say we have an accounting period of April to March. Hmm? In in the year 2019, 9 period will lie. But in the year 2020, we have 3 periods, which year is having maximum number of periods? Those are called fiscal year. Here we are 2019. If same, see, if the number of posting periods of periods in 2019 is same as 2020, then it will be considered as 2019. If it is October to September, see, let's say in 2019, if we have 3 periods and 2020 we have 9 periods, then it means 2020 period. Whichever the period lies maximum posting period, and that year is called fiscal year or financial year. Okay. So it's number of periods are above 6 months in the next year, takes next year, otherwise same year as a fiscal year. Okay. Now, now we'll understand what is year shift. See, already I told you, SAP knows only calendar year. We have to convert calendar year period to our accounting period. So here is 0 if you don't have any shift. If you have positive shift, then it will be +1 and -1. Here we'll see with an example. Okay. See here, from April to March. April to March. See, in this till December we have 0 shift. After that we have -1, -1, -1. These are all year shift in the year. See, from 1918, from 19 to 20. See, this is our year shift. Same way, if we have this, okay. So here from October to from October to, see, this is our 2020 calendar year. In this case, year shift will be +1. See, 1, 1, 1. But here we don't have year shift, 0. Because maximum number of posting periods lies in 2020, na? That's why no year shift. See, only +1 we have. Okay. So you can see here +1. Now, see, there are several predefined fiscal variants in SAP, such as K4 for calendar year with 12 normal periods plus 4 posting periods, total 16 periods. V3, we have April to March with 12 normal periods and 4 special periods, total 16 periods. And K3 is calendar year with 12 normal periods and 3 special periods. However, custom fiscal year can also be created to meet the specific needs and requirements. And we'll see how to define the fiscal year. Define means how to create the fiscal year and how to assign the fiscal year to our company code. Okay. So that we'll see here. And that I have mentioned in this sheet. So here I will share you this Excel sheet. So here introduction, these are all I will discuss with you in the coming session. Okay. Now to define, see, all these I have explained you. To define the fiscal year, here we have steps. As I told you, we are having standard. We can use standard as well. Okay. So for that, I will go to this path, SIMG, financial accounting. Don't forget this. This is SIMG. Okay. So now I'll go back to SAP. Go to SIMG. Then see here, financial accounting. Here we have financial accounting. Then financial accounting global settings. Then we have ledger. Then we have fiscal year and posting period. Then we have maintain fiscal year. This maintain fiscal year. Click on this execute button. See here, we have K4. You can go to K4. See, this is my calendar year. As I told you, no? K4 is the calendar year. And if you go to V3, you can see calendar year. Okay. 12 periods plus 4 special periods. If you go to V3, V3 is here, April to March. Okay, 12 periods. See, this is not a calendar year. No? See, now I'll show you here. See, deselect all, select this, and if you go to periods, give OK. See, as this is a calendar year, no need to define the periods. Okay, if you go to V3, deselect, and if you go to, see here, as this is a April to March. See, first period is March. You can see here, first period is March, second period is this, third period is, see now, 12th period is March. Okay, so here you can mention number of special periods. See? Okay, number of days. So this is month and this is number of days. This is ninth period. And now here we have year shift. See, this is 10th period, 11th period, 12th period. So this is, so what I will do, I will use standard V3 for India because this is April to March. Okay, this is for April to March. Here I will make it as April to March. And K4 is for India. I don't want to create because I use standard only. If you want to create, so click on this. The SAP has provided the standard. I will give K4. If you want to create, just click on new entry. Give the name. Let's say I will give TI Tech Lab India fiscal year. So India is non-calendar. No? Number of periods are 12. Special periods I will maintain as 4. Enter. This is already exist. TI. I will use T1. T1 is also exist. TZ. Okay, TZ is not there. Select the line item. Go to periods. See here we don't have any periods. Click on new entry. Enter month. See first month is uh, March, right? You can enter March. April. April is 4th. How many days? Number of days. Okay, let's check in the calendar. So basically, the SAP has provided standard. You can use copy method. April is 30 days, and this is my first and zero shift. May 31 days, and here this is second period 0, and sixth is June 30 days, and this is third period and zero shift, and seventh July 31 days, fourth period, and eighth is August 31 days, and this is fifth period zero shift. Next, come down. 9 is September 30 days, and this is sixth period and zero shift. 10th is October 31, 10th October 31, and this is seventh period. Next, November 30, this is eighth period, zero shift. 12, December 31st, and this is ninth period, 0. Now come down. Next, 1, January 31 days, period is 10th period -1. Second period is 28. Sorry, 28, and here it is 11th period -1. March 31, 12th period -1. See, like this you'll have to maintain. Just save it. Okay. So that's why SAP has given a standard one. We use that. Okay. So if you go back, see this already I have created. If you position TZ, see, here we are. If you find CV3, same. See, same has been defined here. Period text. If you want to maintain text, see, you can maintain the text. This is a free text. Shortened fiscal year, nothing is there. Okay, clear? Now what I will do, I use standard. Okay, I use standard and I will assign my fiscal year variant to my company code. So same, if you go back here, no need to create new fiscal year. So just go to assign fiscal year variant to company code. Position your company TLIN. So for TLIN, I will maintain V3. Okay, because this is April to March. For TLUS, I will maintain K4. This is Jan to December. Okay. Now I will save this. So save this. See, I have created my fiscal year variant. Okay. So two company codes. See, so far we are done with uh, enterprise structure and fiscal year variant. Now we have posting periods. So this posting period will have to define. We'll understand what is this posting period. So before that, once again, okay. So we'll understand about the posting period. Okay. So SAP FI posting periods are used to open and close the periods of financial year. See, let's say now we are in November 3. Okay. We can see in posting period, we can control the posting the documents. So let's say if you have if you're see if I have closed, see current month is November. If you try to post the October's date, it cannot be posted. That control you can make. If you want to post the October's posting in the month of November, you can post it by controlling in the posting period. Okay, I will show you at the time of testing. Okay, so yes, here we see. One second. Yeah, we'll understand this. The chart of account we'll discuss later. Okay. See, posting period is used to control the posting period for various financial transactions. Okay. So it is a combination of fiscal year variant and special periods. So here we have the fiscal year variant determines the number of posting period in a fiscal year. Let's say I told you, na, in the month of November, if you're trying to post, if you close the period, posting period for the month of October, you cannot post it in the month of November. If you are going to allow the posting period of October month in the month of November, you can have a control here in the posting period. This is very important. This is month end activity. Okay. In the interview, they'll ask what are the month end activities we have in SAP FICO. So the first is posting period variant. Okay. Which controls the posting period of the financial transactions. Posting period can be defined for each company code in SAP FICO using the posting period variant. This allows for greater control and flexibility in managing financial transactions and helps to ensure that posting period are made only in the appropriate period. Okay. Next we have, it is important to regularly review the update. The posting period variant ensures that fiscal year transactions are recorded accurately and in a timely manner. And we have to define our own posting period, and then we'll have to assign posting period variant to the company code. So here we have the steps, the posting period. See, these are the standards. So before understanding this, we'll understand one second. We'll understand account type. So basically, account type describes nature of account. Account types are already defined in SAP system. These cannot be edited or created. So standard account type, S is standard for GL account posting. K is for vendor or supplier account posting. D is for customer account posting. A is for asset accounting posting. Plus is for all account type. Okay. So these are the standard account type which has been provided in SAP. These cannot be created or cannot be edited. And we can control these documents posting in the posting period. How to define that? So here you can see standard I have mentioned. Okay. So this is for 25, 26. I have maintained. If you have to go with 27, so you can go 27 to 28. So like this, see here plus for all 1 to 12, all the periods are open. If it is 1 to 12, that means all periods are open. So this is 13 to 16 is special periods. Okay. Now what I have to do, I will create my own posting period. We have a T code as well. You can try with the T code, or else you have a single. See, these are all one-time configuration. If you go back in the same path, here we have posting period. Under that only, under the fiscal year only, you have this posting period. Define variants of posting period. See, financial or global setting, ledger, fiscal year variant posting period, posting period. Define variant for posting period. Click on this. And now we are getting here. Click on new entry. So here variant name I will define TLIN I will give, or else TLP posting period variant TPV declares. I will define same posting period variant for both the you can define different posting period. I will maintain TLIN India posting period variant, and here TL US I will maintain, paste it here, US, enter and save. See, I have created, but I have not assigned which account. So select the line item. First, I will create for India. Sorry, one second. See, I had defined the posting period. Now we'll have to assign posting period variant to company code. See, we'll have to assign posting period variant to company code. So position TL. See, for TL India, it is TLIN only I have created. And for TLUS, TLUS only I have created. Okay, save this. I have assigned the posting period, but still we have not defined this. Which account has to open and close? So next, we'll have to open it. We'll have to go to open and close periods. See here we have open and close periods. Go back. Here we have open and close period. Click on this, and here first I'll define it for TLIN for India. Okay. Then click on new entry And now I will copy this, see, copy as it is. If you are practicing in the next year, change the year. This is 26, 27, 27, 27. Now we are into this 25 only. Copy this, paste it from here. Okay. So this ZZZZ means this is for masking. This is for all GL account. Okay. From GL account to 2GL account, we can control which GL account should not be pushed. But by default, it is standard masking. Save. Later, I will come back to this. Specify a complete interval. Okay. Copy. Paste it here. Do not enter an account number. Okay. Not required. But why it is that? Oh, sorry. Here this something is missing. Cancel this. Yes. Copy. Now paste it. Yeah. Now perfectly. Why it has been 202? This is 26 now. From to okay year, and this is year. Why it has copied like this? Year. One second. We'll copy this. Go back. Cancel this. Now I will paste it here. See, now it is perfect. Enter. There was a gap here. Okay. Now I will save this. This is for India. Indian company. Now I'll go back. See, again go to open and close period. Now TLUS. Enter. Now new entry. Same post. So I'll come back once again with this. Okay. I'll come back to this once again while we post the document. Paste it here. How we can do month end and year end activities, that we will see. Now I will save. See, I have created fiscal year variant. So now tomorrow we will go with this field status variant. Okay. So we'll discuss this. What is field status variant? Then we will continue. If you have any questions, you can ask.